The civil authorities have issued a civil emergency message for Atkinson GA, Berrien GA, Ben Hill GA, Clinch GA, Coffee GA, Cook GA, Colquitt GA, Lanier GA, Mitchell GA, Tiff GA, Turner GA, and Worth GA beginning at 12:56 p.m. and ending at 5:56 p.m. WWKM. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Georgia Emergency Management Agency. Large objects have mysteriously appeared in the mentioned areas. If you see any strange objects, run as fast as you can away from it and call 911. Stay tuned for more information.
When the drip is respectable.
A civil authority has issued evacuation immediate for the following counties or areas: Atkinson, Berrien, Ben Hill, Clinch, Coffee, Cook, Colquitt, Lanier, Mitchell, Tiff, Turner, Worth, Georgia, at 2:24 p.m. on June 21st, 2022, effective until 3:24 p.m. Evacuate immediately. The objects are confirmed to be aliens from an unknown planet. These aliens look like huge gray boxes with huge red eyes. These aliens have been reported using radio waves to make a loud sound that can cause instant brain hemorrhaging to people in its range. Evacuate now. Evacuate now. Stay tuned for more information.
The civil authorities have issued a law enforcement warning for Lexington SC and Richland SC beginning at 11:07 p.m. Tuesday, June 21st and ending at 12:07 and Wednesday, June 22nd, WOMG. We will be enforcing martial law at 11:20 p.m. tonight, but will be ending at 8 p.m. tomorrow due to risks of the aliens from Georgia coming to nearby areas. During this time, please stay inside of your homes unless you have permission from authorities. Call 911 for emergencies.
With your Lowe's Advantage.
The civil authorities have issued an immediate evacuation for Aiken SC, Bamberg SC, Barnwell SC, Calhoun SC, Clarendon SC, Edgefield SC, Lexington SC, Orangeburg SC, Richland SC, Saluda SC, and Sumter SC beginning at 9:06 am and ending at 10:06 am. WOMG. Evacuate these areas now. The gray box aliens from Georgia has came to some areas in South Carolina. Evacuate towards the west now. Take only the essentials you need, such as non-perishable food, water, first aid kits, and a battery-powered AM/FM radio. Stay tuned for more information.
No, it's like a beeping. Shh, there, listen. It's faster now.
When the drip is respectable.
The civil authorities have issued a civil emergency message for Caroline VA, Essex VA, Richmond VA, and Spotsylvania VA beginning at 12:03 am and ending at 1:03 am, WRVA. This is a bulletin from Virginia Emergency Management. Due to the aliens from Georgia spreading through many states, we are asking residents to stay vigilant. If you see any box-like objects with red eyes, call 911.